Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the 20 most useful shortcut keys in VLC Media Player. These shortcuts are grouped by function to help you use the software more efficiently and professionally. Let's start with the shortcuts for playback, pausing, and controlling the playlist. The space key is the most basic shortcut, used to pause or resume playback quickly. The N key lets you skip to the next track or video in the playlist, while the P key takes you back to the previous one. To completely stop playback, simply press the S key. Next, we have shortcuts for controlling audio. Use the up arrow to increase the volume and the down arrow to decrease it. To quickly mute or unmute the audio, press the M key. This is a simple way to control audio without needing a mouse. Now, let's move on to shortcuts for adjusting playback speed. To decrease the speed, press the minus key, and to increase it, press the plus key. To reset the playback speed to normal, press the equals key. These shortcuts are particularly useful if you want to speed through content or slow it down to catch details. The next group of shortcuts is for seeking and adjusting the aspect ratio. The right arrow allows you to skip forward by 10 seconds, and the left arrow skips backward by 10 seconds. For longer jumps, hold Ctrl and press the right or left arrow to skip forward or backward by 1 minute. The A key is used to cycle through different aspect ratios, which is handy when you're watching videos that aren't in the correct format and need adjustment. VLC provides convenient shortcuts as well. Press the V key to toggle subtitles on or off, and switch between available subtitle tracks. If subtitles are out of sync with the audio, you can adjust the delay using the G and H keys. The G key makes subtitles appear earlier, while the H key delays them. If your video has multiple audio tracks, you can switch between them by pressing the B key. Another handy shortcut is Shift-S, which allows you to take a snapshot of the current frame in the video. The image will be automatically saved to VLC's default directory. To change the save location, go to Tools Preferences. Then in the Interface tab, select Show All Settings. Scroll down to the Video Settings section, where you can choose the save path, set a prefix for file names, and specify the image file format. Now, let's talk about shortcuts for displaying time and controlling the interface. Press the T key to view the elapsed time and the total duration of the video. To toggle full screen mode on or off, press the F key or ESC. The Ctrl-H shortcut allows you to hide or show the control interface, helping you focus on the content. Finally, we have shortcuts for quick exits. To close VLC Media Player, simply press Ctrl-Q. This is a convenient way to exit the application instantly. So, those are the 20 most useful shortcut keys in VLC Media Player, organized by function to make them easier to remember and use. These shortcuts can significantly improve your experience with VLC, whether you're playing music, watching videos, managing subtitles, or taking snapshots. To view and customize all shortcut keys, go to the Tools menu, select Preferences, and switch to the Hotkeys tab. Here, you can modify shortcuts by double-clicking on the hotkey you want to change, then pressing the new key you want to assign. If the new key is already in use, a warning box will appear. For example, to assign the U key to toggle full screen, I'll set it here and click Save. Restart VLC for the changes to take effect. To explore more features like customizing the interface, using keyboard shortcuts, handling subtitles, and other cool tips, don't forget to check out the playlist I've linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.